On Venus, a single day lasts longer than a whole year. The planet takes 243 Earth days to spin around once. It only takes 225 to go all the way around the Sun. And it spins the wrong way. Every other big planet in the solar system spins the same direction. Venus turns backwards, slower than a person can walk. And nobody is completely sure why. But the leading explanation is violent. Venus is almost exactly Earth's size. Same rock, nearly the same mass. It's often called Earth's twin. And then you look closer. The surface sits at about 470 degrees Celsius, hotter than Mercury, even though Venus is nearly twice as far from the Sun. The air is thick enough to crush a submarine, and the whole planet turns backwards once every 243 days. On Venus, if you could see the Sun through the clouds, it would rise in the west. Planets don't just spin backwards. They all formed from the same spinning disk. That's like one car on the highway driving the wrong way for 4 billion years. That is exactly the puzzle. And your analogy is closer than you think. When the solar system formed, everything condensed out of one spinning disk of gas and dust. So almost everything inherited that spin. Same direction? Venus didn't. There are two leading explanations. And they might both be true. The first is a collision. Early solar system. Planets still forming. Enormous objects hitting each other. A big enough impact, at the right angle, can flip a planet over or reverse its spin. The second is slower and stranger. Venus has an incredibly thick atmosphere, and the Sun's heat drives huge tides in that air. Those atmospheric tides push on the planet, add friction between the core and the mantle, and over billions of years, that combination can break a planet's spin, stop it, and turn it around. Not a crash. A 4 billion year drag. Now, one honest correction. Because it's the best part. 243 days is how long Venus takes to spin once against the stars. But because it's also orbiting the Sun and spinning backwards, sunrise to sunrise actually works out to about 117 Earth days. So a Venus day is either longer than its year or half its year, depending on which day you mean. Both numbers are real. And here's the last piece of weirdness. While the solid planet crawls around once every 243 days, its atmosphere races around the whole planet in about 4. The sky is lapping the ground 60 times over. It's called superrotation, and we still don't fully understand it. So the ground takes 8 months to turn once, and the sky does it in 4 days. Earth's twin, spinning backwards with a hurricane for an atmosphere. Sounds fake. It's real. Welcome to Improbablia. Here's what I love about Venus. We call it Earth's twin because the size matched. And then every single other thing went a different way. Backwards. Slower than a bicycle. Under an atmosphere that laps the planet every 4 days. Same starting material. Completely different ending. Strange, but knowable. And if things that sound fake but are completely real are your kind of thing, subscribe and hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Welcome to Improbablia.